Hi, this is Melanie. This video shares some ideas for creating and keeping a garden journal. Whether you are a new gardener or a gardening pro, it's helpful to track your accomplishments, experiments, and failures to learn from them. It's important to note the impact of weather on your gardening throughout the seasons. By journaling, you can create even greater success in your gardening. To create your garden journal, start with a notebook, journal, or sketchpad. All you really need is a pen or pencil, but to have fun decorating and creating your journal, you can use scissors, glue stick, stencils, washi tape, colored paper, rulers, stickers, highlighters, pens, markers, and stamps. It's helpful to have or add page numbers to your notebook or journal. You can create an index at the beginning to quickly find notes in your journal as your gardening season progresses. One of your pages might list or have pictures of gardening tools. It's a great reminder of items you need to transport for an off-site garden. When you finish gardening for the day, jot down your chores on a list to complete the next time you are gardening. Create a tracker to keep up with watering, weeding, and fertilizing. Weather has a big impact on your garden success. You can note temperatures, rain, frost, ice, snow, heavy wind, hail, drought, and more. You can learn to see weather patterns throughout the year in your journal. A journal is a wonderful place to sketch your garden designs to plan your garden. The plot plans designs can be simple or elaborate. Your plant tags and seed packets can have a home in your journal. Then you have the plant information handy as well as information about the varieties you planted. A plant key can be a quick guide to planting times throughout the year. Adding a planting schedule will guide you through the months to start seeds, transplants, and harvesting. You can include pictures, notes, or drawings of insect damage or unwanted garden visitors and note how you manage the damage. Later you can look back at successful techniques to use in future gardening seasons. It's helpful to make notes and take pictures of your garden losses and misses, such as plant varieties that weren't successful or gardening techniques that you might modify next time. Equally important is to take some photos as well as notes about your garden successes. Some plant varieties might have exceeded your expectations or thrived in particular weather conditions. If you are growing edibles, you can include recipes for your harvest and pictures of meals with your yummy produce. Another fun page to include in your journal is garden inspiration. You can write garden quotes, wisdom from other gardeners, and gardening dreams. You might be adding to your garden over years, so this is an area to draw or imagine your garden plans. One way to get great ideas is to visit gardens. You may want to list gardens that you want to visit throughout the year. In addition, you can list classes that you want to attend to expand your knowledge. The Greensboro Public Library has lots of inspiring gardening and journaling books. Check out these wonderful resources. Enjoy these selections through the North Carolina Digital Library, and we wish you success in your gardening adventures.